Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Physics step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the entire syllabus and the specific assessment objectives. This foundational understanding will guide your study efforts effectively. Next, consistently review core concepts and foundational principles to build a strong knowledge base. Finally, integrate regular practice with past paper questions to apply your learning and identify areas for improvement. To truly master the content, begin by breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable sections. This approach makes learning less daunting and more effective. Develop concise notes and flashcards for essential definitions, laws, and formulas. These are excellent for quick recall. Additionally, actively engage with all textbook examples and explore various online resources to deepen your understanding and see concepts applied in different contexts. Consistent practice is crucial for success in IB Physics. Work through a wide variety of practice problems from your textbook, workbooks, and past papers. Don't just aim for the correct answer, focus on understanding each step of the solution process. After attempting problems, carefully review the mark schemes. This helps you understand how points are awarded and what examiners are looking for in your responses, refining your approach. As you approach your exams, simulate actual exam conditions by completing past papers under timed constraints. This builds stamina and improves time management. Identify your weak areas through practice and dedicate focused study time to strengthen those specific topics. Remember, a balanced study schedule, including sufficient rest, is vital for optimal performance. Prioritize your well-being alongside your academic efforts for the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.